Picture yourself standing at the edge of a vast canyon, the golden morning sun casting long shadows across towering red cliffs. The air is crisp, the silence profound, broken only by the rustle of cottonwood leaves and the call of a canyon wren. Welcome to Zion National Park, a place where nature's artistry meets your adventurous soul. Located in southwestern Utah, Zion is one of America's most beloved national parks. With 229 square miles of awe-inspiring sandstone cliffs, hidden slot canyons, emerald pools, and scenic trails, Zion feels like a world apart. The name Zion, meaning sanctuary, couldn't be more fitting. This is a refuge not just for wildlife, but for anyone needing to recharge and reconnect. Every step through Zion is a sensory experience. Whether you're hiking the roaring Virgin River in the Narrows, standing at the top of Angel's Landing with your heart pounding, or peacefully cruising along the Zion Canyon Scenic Drive. This isn't just a destination, it's a memory in the making, so buckle up, wanderer. Zion's calling, and trust us, you'll want to answer. Top places to visit in Zion National Park. 1. Zion Canyon Scenic Drive. This is the ultimate introduction to Zion's grandeur. Following the path of the Virgin River, the Scenic Drive treats visitors to jaw-dropping views of Zion's famous monoliths, the Watchman, the Court of the Patriarchs, and the majestic Temple of Sinawava. Whether you're driving in the off-season or taking the eco-friendly shuttle during spring and summer, every bend in the road reveals postcard-worthy vistas. Trailheads like Weeping Rock and Big Bend invite you to step deeper into the landscape. Keep your camera ready, this is Zion at its most iconic. Two, Angel's Landing. Looking for thrills? Angel's Landing delivers. This legendary trail gains over 1,500 feet in under 2.5 miles and culminates in a knife-edge ridge with chain-assisted climbs. It's not for the faint of heart, but the reward is a 360-degree view of the canyon that will stop you in your tracks. Due to its intensity and popularity, a permit system is in place. Plan ahead. For many hikers, conquering Angel's Landing is a rite of passage. 3. The Narrows. 1 part hike, 1 part river trek. The Narrows is Zion's most immersive experience. With canyon walls soaring 1,000 feet above you and the Virgin River flowing at your feet, it's like walking through a natural cathedral. Start from the riverside walk and wade upstream. In warmer months, rent water shoes and a walking stick. Safety tip: always check for flash flood warnings. When the weather cooperates, this trail is pure magic. Four, Emerald Pools. Perfect for all ages, the Emerald Pools Trail leads to a trio of shimmering waterfalls and natural pools tucked beneath red cliffs. The lower pool is easily accessible, while the trail to the upper pools offers a bit more adventure, and plenty of photo ops. Along the way, enjoy shaded alcoves, hanging gardens, and the peaceful sound of falling water. It's a serene escape, ideal for those wanting to slow down and soak in Zion's softer side. 5. Observation Point. Want jaw-dropping views without the nerve-wracking chains of Angel's Landing? Observation Point has you covered. This challenging 8-mile round-trip hike rewards you with a panoramic overlook that makes even Angel's Landing look small. The journey takes you through Echo Canyon and across dramatic switchbacks. You'll pass through varying terrain, from sandstone cliffs to pine-covered ridges, before reaching one of the best vistas in the park. Six, Kolob Canyons. Zion's best-kept secret lies in its northwest corner. Kolob Canyons offers solitude, fewer crowds, and the same majestic beauty. Drive the scenic 5-mile route for sweeping views or hike Taylor Creek Trail for a peaceful adventure through crimson cliffs and lush groves. Don't miss the Double Arch Alcove, a stunning photo spot. If you're craving tranquility and a more off-the-beaten-path experience, Kolob is your go-to. Travel guide tips. Getting there. Zion is about 2.5 hours from Las Vegas and 4.5 from Salt Lake City. The closest gateway town is Springdale, which offers cozy lodges, dining, and gear shops. Best time to visit: spring, April, May, and fall, September, October, bring pleasant weather and lighter crowds. Summer is beautiful but busy, arrive early. Winter, peaceful and magical. Where to stay? Inside the park, Zion Lodge gives you unbeatable access. For budget or boutique stays, Springdale has it all. Campgrounds like Watchman and South Campground book fast, reserve early. What to pack? Sturdy hiking shoes, layers for shifting temps, lots of water, and sun protection are must-haves. Bring a waterproof bag for the Narrows and a camera for everything else. Getting around. During peak season, park your car and ride the free Zion Shuttle. It's eco-friendly and stress-free. Zion National Park isn't just a place, it's a memory etched into red rock and golden light. It's the adrenaline of conquering a narrow trail, the peace of hearing nothing but wind in the pines, and the joy of finding yourself in the vastness of nature. But don't just take our word for it, we want to hear from you. Sunrise over mountains. Right now, drop a comment below. What was your favorite moment in Zion? Was it the thrill of Angel's Landing? The chill of the Narrows? Or the quiet beauty of Kolob? Comment below and share your story. Let's build a community of explorers who felt Zion's magic. And hey, if this guide sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unforgettable adventures. Your next journey could be just one scroll away.